Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a cinnamon scented candle. These are the materials that you are going to need, and I have two scents, but I use cinnamon swirl. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put the candle wick into the little part that's sticking up of the metal thing. And then once you get it in, it's a little hard at first. Once you get it in, you're going to want to tie a small knot so it doesn't leave the metal thing. So once you have that, you're going to want to take your hot glue gun and put some glue on the bottom, and then put it in the center as possible, and hold it there until the glue dries. But it's just to hold it there so that when you put the wax in, it doesn't float to the top. If you want to add coloring to the wax, you can buy colored wax, or you can get wax coloring, but do not put paint into it because when it melts, it will give off a bad scent. So now you're going to want to cut the wax and put it into a microwavable safe cup. And however much you think you need, you're going to want to put more. And you're going to want to put it in for 15-second intervals. And that's what it looks like after 15 seconds. And when it's all melted, you're going to want to add the scent that you chose. And I put in at least 30 drops. They weren't really drops. I kind of just poured it in. But however much you think you need to get it the scent that you like. After I poured the wax into the container, I took two pencils and rubber band them together with the candle wick in the middle to keep it in the middle for while the wax dries. This is how the candle looks when it's all dry. I let it sit for 2 hours. And now I am naming it cinnamon so people know the scent. So now you're going to want to cut the wick pretty short because when it's lit and it's long like that, it could fall over. And here's your finished candle. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you try this out, let me know. Bye.